Hey, it's Walter Van User. We're in Trysil, Norway with Chef Dino. One of the questions that we asked earlier is, can you make a delicious gluten-free pizza at home? And today we're going to show how to make pizza using Chef Dino's signature gluten-free pizza mix with a home style pizza oven that Chef Dino also is a distributor, reseller.
Yes.
That this is something you can have on your tabletop with a gas tank. And we're going to go from scratch.
How to make your pizza gluten-free pizza. How to make gluten-free pizza whole in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. First step, let's open the bags. Of course, there's the recipes behind the leaves.
What ingredients are we working with today?
Today we're working with pizza and bread blending, let's say, or blender or mix setting in the machine. 25 grams of yeast, 20 grams of olive oil, and salt. 420 grams water.
How long do you mix it for?
We're gonna mix for 4-5 minutes. Now the dough is ready. Like this. If you see, it does contain gluten, so it's very, very soft to mix the dough. Then let's take for alternative to wheat flour, we use rice flour. So we do like the same like our normal flour. We take our dough. So just you have to roll it. You have to be fast, so it does stick on your hand. You just press down, cut in 4. Then you have 4 balls in one dough.
Why is mine sticky?
It's a technique. Yeah.
So I have not done this before?
No, exactly. Let's keep the table clean. We have just to wait 1 hour to make the yeast start to work. So to don't get dry the pizza ball, it's good to use pellicola folio. You can just grab one by one. Now we do for pasta. What kind of sauce would you like it? I can.
Yes.
Sugo alla norma is typical from Sicily. It's tomato sauce, eggplant, and actually it's chopped eggplant fried in tomato sauce. But I would like a little bit small, yes, touch on little bit of anchovies. What kind of pasta you like, Walter? Special pasta is not that big, it's nice, so a little bit the sauce go inside, is very nice.
Nice.
So in Napoletan it's a macaroni rigati.
How long should we cook it?
This is we're gonna cooking for 8 minutes in the boiling water, and then we're gonna saute with tomato sauce with sugo alla norma. And we add just a little bit of chopped of let's say touch of anchovies. A little bit of salt in the water. Let's wait 8 minutes and the pasta will be ready. With tricks, you can use a little bit of water. Shake it. The sauce is ready, huh? Now we just wait the pasta.
Sometimes with sauce, you have to let the water evaporate.
Yeah, this is, you don't need this a little bit, and then we're gonna add it even a little bit more. So like this is gonna stick, the sauce gonna stick together with pasta.
Oh.
So let's say usually the starch from the rice and from the corn gonna help you to make a better results with the sauce and pasta.
And how do you like your pasta? Like al dente or?
Al dente has to be al dente. I took also some parmesan, 36 months from Caseificio Gennari. They are also, this is also very, very good to add on the touch in the end. Not ready yet. In the meantime, you can do something. Let's open the parmesan and we can grate it. Let's see, I can.
Is it a trick?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
But when this happens, these small pieces can drop off it.
Long strokes. Let the shredder do the work. Welcome. Get another.
This is what's happened American with parmesan. No.
Not be happy.
Exactly. If you're gonna see my mom, oh my goodness. Oh.
Plastic face. Gently and lovingly.
Yeah, but now you can stop. Do you want to try a taste? You see?
Good. Minute.
Almost there. Now we can with olive oil. Parmesan.
Yeah.
Now we just grasso parmesan. A little of olive oil. But have a present for you. What you're gonna add it? Burrata on top. So burrata cheese. So you're gonna get that kind of hot, cold taste. You just
What is this called?
burrata.
Burrata.
Burrata, yes. Done. You can taste first.
You get it first.
I get to first taste now. They're not dirty,
Yeah, full time.
Mine.
Well, it's like, give me more.
No. What experience? Come in Trysil, 6,000 people living, you eat Italian and gluten-free.
Mm-hmm.
So about 12 minutes max based on the water and the pasta. Takes about 2 minutes to cook the sauce. Approximately 30 seconds to do the Parmesan cheese. And how fast you could open up the white.
Burrata. Actually, it's started to be very popular also in USA, burrata.
Oh,
It's typical from Apulia. So actually it's mozzarella, let's say, mozzarella shells around, and inside is mozzarella, chopped mozzarella with added cream.
so I'm from Boston, Mass, and I don't really get to eat pasta that tastes like pasta. So this is my second time having Chef Dino's gluten-free, celiac-friendly pasta. The sauce is very smooth, has a little bit of anchovies, a
Yes.
little bit of saltiness.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about it?
It's beautiful. I love
The saltiness is coming from the anchovies we added.
Anchovy, yeah,
So you see, we didn't add any salt, but the anchovies coming, give it like,
more depth.
yes.
And I can eat gluten. I would never ever thought this to be gluten free, ever.
So you have to come all the way to Trysil, Norway to have gluten-free pasta that does not taste like gluten-free pasta. If somebody would get, I bet if there was a testing with maybe 2 or 3 different pastas, I'd say 4. 2 are gluten-free, 2 are not. I would be hard-pressed to think that somebody would be able to do the separation. And while the dough is rising, we have this delicious 12-minute meal.
I'm gonna go ugly eat over here now.
Thank you, Kenya.
Enjoy your eating, Nina.
Thank you.
So we'll stop that.